Good morning students, welcome you all to e-learning classes of ALPHORES. In this session we are going to solve problems related to inequations and the relation between the roots and coefficients. Okay, as we will solve first question. What is that first question? The range of x minus 1. Now you take x minus 1 by 4x plus 5 is greater than x minus 3 by 4x minus 3. Okay, as x minus 1 by 4x plus 5 bring into left side, it will become x minus 3 by 4x minus 3 is what? Greater than 0. Take LCM. 4x plus 5 times of 4x minus 3, this is what? X minus 1 times of 4x minus 3 minus x minus 3 times of 4x plus 5 greater than 0. Okay, now we have to simplify numerator. X into 4x, this is what? 4x square. X into minus 3x minus 4x, this is what? Minus into minus plus 3. Minus x into 4x minus 4x square, as this is what? Minus 5x, as minus 3 into as 4x is plus 12x. Already here we have minus, as that is what? Plus 15 by 4x plus 5 times of 4x minus 3 greater than 0. Yes, here what? 4x square cancel, minus 3x minus 4x minus 5x 12x cancel. Yes, here we have 3 plus 15 18 by 4x plus 5 times of 4x minus 3 is what? Greater than 0, because already 18 is positive. Okay, this whatever in denominator, that should be positive. Therefore 4x plus 5 into what? As 4x minus 3 is what? Greater than 0. Greater than 0. Okay, just you bring this side as simplify. Here we got 18 by 4x plus 5 into 4x minus 3. 4x plus 5 into 4x minus 3 should be what? Greater than 0. Okay, as this implies as roots are what? Minus 5 by 4 comma 3 by 4. Whenever greater than 0, as it does not lies between the roots, therefore as which one is small here? Very clear, x is less than minus 5 by 4 or x is greater than what? 3 by 4. Therefore clearly x belongs to minus infinity to minus 5 by 4 union more than 3 by 4 means up to what? Infinity. Therefore range is what? This is called the range of this minus infinity to minus 5 by 4 union, this is what? 3 by 4 to infinity. If it is less than 0, clearly lies between the roots, that is what? Minus 5 by 4 less than x less than 3 by 4. Okay students, move on to second question, which is 2x by 2x square plus 5x plus 2 is greater than 1 by x plus 1. Okay, now as don't multiply, don't cross multiply with 2x, but as because we don't know whether it is negative or positive, as 2x by 2x square plus 5x plus 2 minus 1 by x plus 1 is what? Greater than 0. Now what is LCM? This is 2x square plus 5x plus 2 times of what? X plus 1. Now 2x into x plus 1, that is what? 2x into x, 2x square plus 2x. Now minus of this minus 2x square minus 5x minus 2 is what? Greater than 0. Here 2x square cancel, 2x minus 5x is what? Minus 3x minus 2 by as factors of this what? 2x plus 1 into I think x plus 2, because 2x into x, 2x square, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is what? 5x 1 into 2 2 as into x plus 1 greater than 0. Here we have minus, multiply with minus, we will get 3x plus 2 by this is 2x plus 1 into x plus 2 into what x plus 1 is what less than 0. If you multiply with minus, as less will become more will become less. Now we have to write critical points of this function. Where this function is going to 0, that point is called critical points. Here we have 4 critical points. First you have to write critical points. Okay, as which one is as less? First we have to write as first is minus 2, next one is what minus 1, as next one is what minus as 2 by 3, next one minus 1 by 2. Okay, all these critical points we have to plot on the as a real line, that is what a number line. Okay, as this is 0, this is what infinity, this is what minus infinity. Okay, as always we have to plot these critical points on the real line in ascending order. Okay, as which one is small? This is very clear, minus 2 is small, next one is what minus 1. Okay, na minus 1, next one is what minus 2 by 3 means minus 0.6. Yes, this is minus 2 by 3, and next one is what minus 1 by 2. Okay, yes, always we have to write these critical points plot on the real axis with ascending order. Which number is big number now? Minus 1 by 2 is the big number. We have to keep plus sign on right side of the big number, as where it is as plus beta. Now comes to this factor. This factor is where minus 1 by 2, the power is odd. Okay, because all powers are odd only, sign will change. Now plus 2 minus, now this is odd, minus 2 plus, plus 2 minus, minus 2 plus. Okay, now this is the graph of okay. Now the question is what? Minimum or maximum? Less than 0. Minimum. Okay, na? As means as this is less than 0 means where it is a negative we have to write. Yes, this portion is very clear negative, and this portion also very clear negative. Therefore clearly x belongs to minus 2 to minus 1 union. What is this? Minus 2 by 3 to minus 1 by 2. This is nothing but the range of this function. Therefore the range of 2x by x, 2x square plus 5x plus 2 is greater than 1 by x plus 1. Yes, now this is your answer. Okay students, move on to next question, which is third. What is that? Log x base 5 whole square plus log x base 5 as less than 2. Now we have to find the value of x. Consider log x base 5 is t, as put log x base 5 is considered t, it will become what? This is t square plus t less than 2. Bring this side, this is t square plus t minus 2 is what? Less than 0. Now factors are what? As 2 ones are 2. Okay, na? Plus 2 minus 1, t square plus 2t minus t minus 2 less than 0. Now take t common, this is what? T plus 2, and minus 1 common, this is also t plus 2, as this implies t plus 2 times of t minus 1 is what? Less than 0. Means t is always lies between the roots, as 1 is negative, minus 2 is less than t is less than what? 1. What is t here? Minus 2 is less than t is nothing but log x base 5 is what? Less than 1. Now you have to eliminate this base. This is what? 5 power minus 2 is less than x is less than 5 power 1 is 5. Therefore 5 power minus 2 will become 1 by 25 is less than x is less than 5. Therefore what is range? This range of this function is nothing but 1 by 25 comma 5. Okay, now this is the solution of this inequation. Okay students, move on to next question. As the fourth one, x minus 1 into what? X minus 2 into x plus 5 as less than 0. Okay, already I gave factors. Product of 3 factors is what? Less than 0. Here we have to write critical points. Critical points what? Minus 5 1 2. Okay, just you plot one real axis. This is what minus infinity to plus infinity. Now we have to plot these real numbers on the real line in ascending order. What is ascending order? Minus 5. Next one, what is 2? Which one is big number? 2. Always we have to keep plus sign on right side of the big number. Okay, power of 2 is what? Odd, sign will change. This is minus. Now next what? Power of 1 is odd, sign will change. Now this power is odd, sign will change, minus. Therefore as okay, now this is the graph of this real line. Now question is what? A product of 3 factors is what? Negative. Now we have to write negative portion. Therefore x belongs to, that is nothing but x is very clear less than minus 5, or x is what? As this portion we have to write beta. X is less than minus 5. Okay, now here what? X is lies between 1 and 2. Now this is what? 1 less than x less than 2. 1 less than x less than 2. Therefore x is less than minus 5, or 1 less than x less than 2. Therefore clearly x belongs to minus infinity to minus 5 as union. This is what? 1 to 2. Now this is the solution of x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x plus 5 less than 0. So we can write this is a range of given inequation is what? Minus infinity to minus 5 union 1 to 2. This is the solution of given inequation. Students, move on to next question, which is fifth one. As 2 quadratic inequations he gave, now we have to write a common solution for both as given inequations. First one is what? X square plus 6x minus 27 greater than 0. This is first one. And second one what? Minus x square plus 3x plus 4 greater than 0. Now we have to solve these two inequations. This is as x square plus 6x minus 27 greater than 0. Here we have factors. 9 3s are 27 plus 9 minus 3 x square plus 9x minus 3x minus 27 greater than 0. Now what is common here? X is common. X plus 9 minus 3 is common. What? X plus 9 greater than 0. Therefore total is what? X plus 9 is common of x minus 3 greater than 0. X never lies between the roots. Okay, which one is small root? X minus of minus 9. Okay, minus 9 is small. Clearly x is less than minus 9, or x is greater than 3. X is greater than 3. As you can write like this also, as minus infinity to minus 9 union 3 to infinity, because more than 3. Now this is the solution of first inequation. Now comes to second inequation. Minus x square plus 3x plus 4 greater than 0 multiply with minus x square minus 3x minus 4 less than 0. Okay, here what? Minus 4 factors we have to write, you know very well. Minus 4 into 1 minus 4 plus 1. Now this is what? X square minus 4x minus x plus x minus 4 less than 0. Now you take x common. This is what? X minus 4 plus 1 times of x minus 4 is what? Less than 0. This is very clear. X minus 4 times of what? X plus 1 is less than 0. Here clear product of 2 factors less than 0. X is clearly lies between the roots. Which one is small root? Minus 1 less than x less than 4, as this is the range of this inequation minus 1 comma 4. Now we have to write as common solution for both equations. Now you can draw one real line. This is what? Minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, now you have to plot this interval on real line, this interval on real line. As from that we have to take common solution for x. Now this is minus 1. Okay, here 0, here we have minus 1, here we have 4. Now this is a common, as this is the solution for minus 1 comma 4. Now here what? 3 to infinity. Yes, somewhere here 3. Yes, very clear. 3 to infinity means this is now next one is what? Minus infinity to minus 9. Yes, somewhere here minus 9 and minus infinity to minus 9. Very clear. What is common for this? Only 3 to 4. Therefore, as your answer is x lies between 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Therefore, what is range of this inequation as our solution? 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4. Now one is what? Minus 1 to 4. Other is what? 3 to infinity. What is common portion? Very clear. 3 to 4. Students, move on to next question, which is sixth, as same as previous question 5. As here also he gave two quadratic inequations, x square minus 3x minus 10 less than 0, and other inequation is 10x minus x square minus 16 greater than 0. Now we have to solve these two inequations. As here x square minus 3x minus 10 less than 0 as factors of minus 10. Okay, 5 2s are 10, minus 5 plus 2. Therefore, x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is less than 0. You take x common, this is what? X minus 5 plus 2, take out common, this is also x minus 5 less than 0. Now x minus 5 is common, as of x plus 2 is less than 0. Less than 0 means x is always lies between the roots. Which one is small root? X minus of minus 2. Minus 2 is less than x is less than 5. Therefore, x belongs to minus 2 comma 5. This is the interval of the as this inequation. Now comes to this inequation, 10x minus x square minus 16 is greater than 0. Okay, because your leading coefficient is negative, we have to multiply with minus. We are getting x square minus 10x plus 16 is what? Less than 0. As when we have to, we should multiply with minus, inequation sign will be changed. Here greater than, here what? Less than. Okay, x square minus 10x plus 16. Now we have to write factors of this. 8 to 2s are 16, 8 plus 2 10. This is clearly x square minus 2x minus 8x plus 16 is what? Less than 0. Less than 0. You take x common from first two terms and minus 8 is common from last two terms. As now we are getting x minus 2 into what? X minus 8 less than 0. Therefore, clearly x is lies between the roots. 2 is less than x less than 8. X belongs to 2 comma 8. Now we have to write as common solution for both as quadratic inequations. Now as you can plot this interval and this interval on a real line. Now this is what? 2 to 8. 2 here, somewhere 8 here. This is the solution for x belongs to 2 comma 8. Now this is what? Minus 2 comma 5. Minus 2 somewhere here, minus 2 somewhere 5 here. Yes, this is 5. Now this is the solution for this interval. Now in this we have to write a common solution. Where common? Very clear. 2 to 5 is the common solution for these two quadratic inequations. Clearly x belongs to 2 comma 5. Okay students, move on to next question, which is if alpha beta are roots of x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0 with alpha is more than beta, and a suffix n, a n is equal to alpha power n minus beta power n. Here he gave x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0, whose roots are what? Alpha comma beta. Now from this we can write alpha plus beta is equal to what? 6, and alpha beta is equal to what? Minus 2. So with alpha is more than beta, and an, one more condition is given, an as written as is equal to alpha power n minus what? Beta power n. Now we have to find a10 minus 2a8 by 2a9. Okay, now comes to a10 minus 2a8 by what is that? 2a9. What is a10? As we have to keep in place of n 10. a10 is nothing but what? Alpha power 10 minus beta power 10. Alpha power 10 minus beta power 10. minus 2 times of, what is A8? We have to keep here 8, that is alpha power 8 minus beta power 8 by here what, 2 times of alpha power 9 minus beta power 9. All these values we have to find from this quadratic equation. Okay, yes, now this is what, alpha power 10 minus beta power 10. Yes, you have to keep in place of minus 2 alpha beta. Okay, because alpha beta value is what, minus 2. Here we have minus 2. In place of minus 2 I will write alpha beta of alpha power 8 minus beta power 8 by 2 times of alpha power 9 minus beta power 9. As what I did here, just in place of minus 2 I wrote alpha beta here. As now multiply alpha power 10 minus beta power 10. This is what, beta times of alpha power what, 9. Okay, minus this is what, alpha times of beta power 9 by 2 times of alpha power 9 minus beta power 9. Okay, here alpha power 10 is there, here what, beta into alpha power 9 is there. Now from these two what is common, alpha power 9 is common, alpha power 9 common. Now this is what, alpha, here what, this is beta. Yes, now second and as fourth. Okay, in as minus beta power 10, here minus alpha beta power 9, very clear here, minus beta power 9 is common, minus beta power 9 is common. This is what, clearly alpha. Here also we are getting as one more beta, because minus alpha into beta power 9 minus beta power 9 into beta what, minus beta power 10 by, this is clear, 2 times of alpha power 9 minus beta power 9. Okay, now in numerator there is alpha plus beta is common, alpha plus beta of alpha power 9 minus beta power 9 by 2 times of alpha power 9 minus beta power 9. Now these two are cancel. Yes, simply we got alpha plus beta by 2. What is alpha plus beta? We have 6 by 2. Your answer is 3. Therefore simply as what we got finally, simply alpha plus beta by 2 we got, alpha plus beta is 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Okay students, move on to next question, which is 8th question. Alpha beta are roots of, as standard quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, whose roots are what, alpha comma beta. You know very well, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha beta is equal to what, c by a. Now you give one condition, Sn is equal to, S suffix n is equal to what, alpha power n plus beta power n. Then we have to find the determinant of the value of as 3 plus 1 plus s1 something is given. Okay, as determinant of 3 as 1 plus s1, this is what, first row first element, this is what, first row second element, and 1 plus s2 first row. Now this is what, 1 plus s1, 1 plus s2, 1 plus s3, 1 plus s2, 1 plus s3, 1 plus s4. Now as we have to write here, this is 3, 1 plus, what is s1, alpha plus beta. S1 is what, alpha plus beta. And now what is 1 plus s2? S2 is nothing but what, 1 plus alpha square plus beta square. Now what is this 1 plus s1? 1 plus alpha plus beta. Now 1 plus s2, 1 plus alpha square plus beta square. S3, 1 plus alpha cube plus beta cube. Here what, 1 plus s2, 1 plus alpha square plus beta square. Here what, 1 plus alpha cube plus beta cube. Here what, 1 plus alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. S1, S2, S3, S4. S4 is alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. S1 is simply alpha plus beta. Okay, now we have to find this value. Don't expand this determinant. Now we have to write, because sum of 3 elements, everywhere sum of 3 elements are there. Therefore we have to write a product of 2 determinants. Okay, this is equivalent to product of 2 determinants. I will write one is what 1 1 1 1 1 1. As now you have to multiply first row with first column. 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1, 1 plus 1 is what 3. Okay, next one is what 1 alpha beta. I will write 1 alpha beta. 1 into 1 1, 1 into alpha alpha, 1 into beta beta. 1 plus alpha plus beta, first row with the second column. Now 1 alpha square beta square. Here also 1 alpha square beta square. Now this is the product of two determinants, det A into det B. What is that? Det of AB. Now you can multiply these two matrices. Okay, na? As first row with the first column 1 1, 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 3. 1 into 1, 1 into alpha, 1 into beta. First row with the second column, first row with the third column we are getting. Next what? Second row with first column, second row with the second column, second row with the third column. Next what? Third row with the first column, third row with the second column, third row with the third column. 1 into 1, 1. Alpha square into alpha square, alpha power 4. Beta square into beta square, beta power 4. You know very well this is what 1 1 1 ABC, A square B square C square. This is a standard determinant result. What is that? A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. This is nothing but A minus B. 1 minus alpha into alpha minus beta into beta minus 1. This is also same, therefore as whole square we can write 1 minus alpha of alpha minus beta of beta minus 1 whole square, because these two are same. Okay, A B C, A square B square C square, A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. This is standard result, you know very well. Now we have to expand. What is this? 1 minus alpha. As first we have to multiply alpha minus beta. This is what alpha minus beta whole square into what 1 minus alpha into beta minus 1 whole square. What we can write as alpha minus beta whole square? You know very well, alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 times of alpha beta. Now you can multiply this expression 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Okay, as 1 into minus 1. Next what? 1 into beta, that is what beta. Now minus into minus plus alpha minus alpha beta whole square we can write. Okay, now we have to find the value of this as expression. What is that value? As we will see here, as alpha plus beta whole square, you know very well, that is what minus b by a means b square by a square, b square by a square, minus 4 times of c by a. This value is c by a. As now comes to next expression. What is the total expression here? As alpha plus beta, already we have minus b by a. Yes, that is what minus 1 minus b by a. I think this is what minus c by a whole square, c by a whole square. Now you take LCM, b square minus 4ac by this value is a square. As now minus minus minus, you take minus common, minus of whole square is positive. LCM is what? A. This is a plus b plus c by a whole square. A plus b plus c by a whole square. Now we have to write one more step here. As is equal to b square minus 4ac of a plus b plus c whole square. Here what? A square a power 4. Okay, this is the result of our question. As a determinant of 3, 1 plus s1, 1 plus s2, 1 plus s1, 1 plus s2, 1 plus s3, 1 plus s2, 1 plus s. Okay students, move on to next question, which is 9th one. If alpha beta are roots of x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, whose roots are what? Alpha beta. Okay, yes, now we can solve, because roots of this equation is very clear. Imaginary roots we are getting, one is omega, other is omega square. As x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2 times of a. This is clear. Minus 1 plus or minus root over minus 3. In place of minus, write I square root over 3 I square, as it will become I root 3 by 2. Namely 1 as minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 and minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. It is omega, the square of this is nothing but what? That is nothing but what? Omega square. Therefore, you take let alpha is equal to omega, beta is equal to what? Omega square, because alpha, beta are roots. We got two roots now. One is omega, other is omega square. Now alpha is equal to omega, beta is equal to what? Omega square. Now we have to find Sn. What is S1 here? S1 is equal to alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. You know very well alpha plus beta is equal to minus 1. Next we have to find S2. What is S2? Alpha square plus beta square. What is alpha square? Alpha is omega, as now this is what? Omega plus what? Beta square, that is what? Omega power 4. As this is very clear, you know, as omega plus what is omega power 4? This is alpha square omega square. Now beta power 4 omega square whole square omega power 4. Omega power 4 is what? Omega as omega. Why? Because omega cube is 1, you know very well. As 1 plus omega square 0 and omega cube is equal to 1. Now omega square plus omega value is what? Minus 1. Minus 1. S1, S2. Now what? S3. What is S3? Alpha cube plus what? Beta cube. What is alpha cube? Omega cube plus what is beta cube? Omega power 6. This is very clear. Omega cube is 1 and omega power 6 also 1. You know very well omega power 3n is always 1. Okay. Next we have to find S4. What is S4? Alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. What is alpha power 4? Omega power 4. Beta power 4 omega square whole power 4 omega power 8. What is omega power 4? Is omega, because omega cube is always 1. Now omega power 6 always 1. Therefore more we have to get omega square. Therefore this answer is equivalent to minus 1. You know very well 1 plus omega square is equal to 0 and what? Omega cube is equal to 1. Here we got omega plus omega square. That's why that answer is what? Minus 1. Now comes to our question. Our question is what? 3. As next 1 plus S1, 1 plus S2. Next one is what? 1 plus S1, 1 plus S2, 1 plus S3, 1 plus S2, 1 plus S3, 1 plus S4. Okay, as already we know all as values of S1, S2, S3, S4. Just you keep here as this is 3, 1 plus S1, 1 plus S1. S1 value is minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Next 1 plus S2. 1 plus S2 is also what? 0. Okay, next one what? 1 plus S1 is 0. 1 plus S2. 1 plus S2. S2 value is also as minus 1. This is also 0. 1 plus S3. S3 is what? 2. 1 plus 2 answer is 3. Next 1 plus S2 is clearly 0. 1 plus S3. S3 is 2. This is 3. 1 plus S4. This is also 0. Yes, you know very well how to expand this determinant as 3 times of 0 as minus 3 3s are 9. Next minus 0 into something 0 plus 0 into something 0. This value is equal into what? Minus 27.